I'm here with two of our amazing user group leaders and Microsoft MVPs who are involved regionally with user groups and their Microsoft local field members. We have Rick McCutcheon and Gaston Cruz. Thank you so much for everything you do for the community. Rick, can you please introduce yourself and talk a little bit about your involvement with the Canadian user groups and your great connection with a local Microsoft Canada office and field?
Hello, Marie. Thanks for having us on the show. My name's Rick McCutcheon. I'm a Dynamics 365 MVP, and we've been involved with the user group community in Canada approached Microsoft Canada with the idea that we start a community for the Dynamics CRM product at the time, and Microsoft has really helped us shape that into a national community. We have chapters in Toronto, we have chapters Vancouver, also in Calgary, Regina, and Montreal. So we've turned it into a national chapter where we meet 4 times a year at the Microsoft offices in those cities. And we also meet in a virtual meeting for those people who can't join us at one of the offices.
That is awesome, Rick. It sounds like one meeting helped grow to where things are today. One small meeting of the minds.
Yes, we've really, taken things from, meeting in one office to, organizing our volunteers in every city. And Microsoft has been very, very supportive in, providing us with locations, providing us with speakers to their meetings. And as well, bringing in people like the customer success team to actually do presentations for us. It's been a terrific relationship.
I love that. I love to hear about this kind of collaboration between our local user groups and the folks in our Microsoft offices around the world. Thank you so much for sharing that. Hello, Gaston. I'd love to hear you. Tell us about your involvement with LATAM user groups, please.
Hey, thank you, Miri. Shout out and hello. Hola to our LATAM user groups across the world. I am Gaston Cruz. I work for Slalom. I'm a data platform Power BI, Microsoft MVP. I am from Uruguay, South America, a country between Argentina and Brazil. I moved to Bellevue, Washington a couple of years ago with my family to the West Coast of the United States. I am really happy to be here. In my last job as a managing director for the analytics teams, I was championing to working with different countries and leaders and conference in South America, let's say Chile, Brazil, Argentina, Paraguay, Peru, Colombia. So I engaged with user groups leaders from Latin America. It has been great to connect the dots between our leaders and the local Microsoft context and the product groups here in Redmond in Microsoft Corporate. I even have a kind of YouTube channel with Ashur and Elbar with some cool folks, users from Latin America, and everyone wants to collaborate. It means a lot to have that kind of connections.
That is fantastic. I'm going to check that YouTube out. Thank you so much for sharing. So you have been helping support existing user groups and then encouraging new groups as well?
Yes, for me, it's all about supporting our community and encouraging people to grow, to learn, to share knowledge, experience, stories, and support each other. I love doing it.
That is so cool. Thank you so much, Gaston and Rick, for all you do for the community. User group leaders, we invite you to have your user groups created on our new experience on our community platforms. We are also launching a new way for Microsoft offices around the world to get connected to local user group leaders called Project Connect. Be on the lookout for more information on this program on our communities soon.